You can do it. We are going to fix this today. There is hope for you. Healthy relationships are reciprocal. This one appears rather one-sided. The young woman is not at all interested in who is pursuing her, and he does not seem to understand that he is just not her type. Communication is broken down completely, a sad state of affairs. Take proactive steps to say what you want and don't want to reduce the possibility of misunderstandings down the road. I'm Dr. Torpor, and take the infinite down the road with you.